I am the platform where purpose meets impact. My voice carries authority, clarity, and truth. I lead with integrity and intention every day. I show up consistently and people recognize my leadership. My content attracts aligned clients and opportunities. I am visible, valuable, and trusted. I run a focused, profitable real estate business. My actions create predictable income and freedom. My financial goals are met through disciplined execution. Conversations come easily and convert naturally. The right clients say yes to working with me. I serve first and results follow. I teach what I know and lead without hesitation. My experience positioned me as the go-to expert. I don't chase opportunities, I attract them. I don't just show up, I stand up. I don't just sell, I serve. Everything I build leaves people better than I found them. I am more than enough.